The government banned this book about Bitcoin, and the reason why will shock you. In 2023, Space Force Captain Jason Lowry wrote a book called Soft War. In it, he argues that Bitcoin is not just about money, but actually a new form of warfare. Lowry's thesis introduces something called power projection theory, which argues that every functional living system from the animal kingdom to human beings survives off of the projection of physical power. Laws, money, hierarchy, the stock market, all of these abstract concepts can be manipulated. According to Lowry, the only systems that can stay secure are ones that are imposed with physical limitations. People say that Bitcoin is digital money, but they miss the forest for the trees. It's actually an electro-cyber power projection system. Its dependence on proof-of-work mining forces real-life computers to expend real-life energy in order to create and sustain it. If someone wants to attack the system, that means they have to expend more energy than the people defending it. For the first time, cyberspace, which was impossible to defend, suddenly has physical deterrence. Bitcoin anchors the internet in thermodynamics, a physical principle, and thus begins the soft war, where machines run by state actors compete with electricity and computation. Disputes over money, data, and sovereignty are settled through a competition of hash power instead of through a kinetic war. There's currently an unrecognized global cyber arms race, and it all revolves around mining power. Even though Lowry wrote the book while serving in the Space Force, the US Department of Defense quickly restricted the distribution of the book. Something in this book was so powerful that they had to ban it and make sure nobody could read it. To some people, Bitcoin is digital gold. What if it's deeper than that? It's actually a foundation for a new form of global power projection. The real battle for the future might be fought with electricity instead of with weapons. Iran is a crypto global superpower, producing a disproportionate amount of Bitcoin mining, which could be a way to explain the conflict that's currently happening. But they don't want you to know that.